Good morning, anybody who's out there. I am making some chocolate covered pretzels for some gifts for the holidays, and I thought I might as well show you how I do it. I've just taken a small soup pan or pot. I filled it with about 2 inches of water, and it's on about medium-low heat because you don't want it to boil. I've placed about 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips into this metal bowl, and I'm slowly melting the chocolate. You want to take it off of the stove when it still has a few little chocolate chips that aren't melted, because it will continue to melt as you, I hope you can see this, as you stir the chocolate. Just like that, so you don't see any extra chocolate chips in your chocolate. And now it's ready to go. Just take your pretzel and you just cover it about halfway, or whatever you want. You can do the whole pretzel if you want. Doesn't really matter. Whatever floats your boat. And you just want to place it onto a tray covered with parchment paper so it doesn't stick to the tray. You can do some really cute things, like place sprinkles on them, just like that. Make them colorful. And there you have it. There you have a pretty chocolate covered pretzel sticks. Any chocolate that you want to use for your pretzels, you can use. This is semi-sweet chocolate. You can use milk chocolate. You can use white chocolate, dark chocolate. It doesn't matter. And now I'm going to take these vanilla or white chocolate candy melt. Now I'm going to take the white chocolate melts, and usually I'll use a fork, but I'm just going to use the end of this spatula. And if you can see this, you just take a little bit on the edge, and no rhyme or reason, just start drizzling this over the chocolate. Doesn't have to be perfect. Isn't that amazing? Then you take a simple pretzel and make it into a work of art for your holiday treats. Beautiful. Now we're going to let that dry. Took some of the white chocolate melts, and I did some other pretzel rods with the white chocolate. These pretzel sticks with the white chocolate. Going to drizzle the chocolate. It doesn't have to be perfect. And again, you can use a fork to drizzle the chocolate also. It all works. And there you have it. Here are our pretzel sticks, rods. That's the dark chocolate with the white chocolate drizzle. This is the white chocolate with the dark chocolate drizzle. And these are the ones that we did with the colorful sprinkles. If you go to serve these, you can put them on a pretty tray just like this. I am actually giving these as gifts, so I'm going to place them into some treat bags. And how easy was that? I ended up putting these in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes just so that the chocolate would harden up. There you have it. Very easy, beautiful gift for Christmas. Just buy the pretzel rods and the chocolate and any kind of toppings you want, like Jimmy's. Here's a great holiday treat. Enjoy. I hope you like this.